Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do table design in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the MS, that means the Microsoft Word, MS Word in Windows 11. So in this case here we'll take a table. So let's check. We have taken a table here. Now we want to do a design. Now here the design file, home, insert, lots of options are present here. So now here we will click this. When we click the section, so the table design has already come. So click the design. So see the lots of design are present here. So when we click this, any kinds of things, see, so according to the clicking side, so if you click this side, so see the sections or the design has come. So thank you. In this way we will do the lots of design. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.